Hello, here we are going to perform out of band SSRF vulnerability in FireEyes.com. So let's see perform this attack. So here we will use work collaborator client and we can see normal response. Just enter a header x forwarded for header define a user IP, but we are able to successfully perform out of band SSRF vulnerability. View this header. So this vulnerability exists. Exist here. So now send this request and response is normal, but check work collaborator client and poll now, and now we can see ping back request. So a attacker can be perform many attacks. View this attack. Like we can see victim IP, victim DNS information, and the attacker also can be bypass rate limiting protection, because this vulnerabilities exist in X forwarded for header, and X forwarded for header is normally define a user IP. So a attacker can be bypass rate limiting protection. So if a attacker able to successfully bypass rate limiting protection, then he can take over any account. So this is too dangerous vulnerability in this header. So let's see. Now we are checking in 127.0.0.1 in this IP. So normally this IP define a local system. So a attacker can after this a system will be understand that this is a local system request. So why this way? A attacker can be bypass rate limiting protection and can be perform many more attacks. So we can see this request is sending successfully. After send this request, response is not showing any forbidden 403 type error. That should be shown.